Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y19 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration. Following that, tap on the switcher next to Vibrate when silent to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you finished, scroll down. Then click on this switcher next to Touch Feedback to enable or disable vibrations for taps or button over here and operating some functions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!